This short video provides an overview of self-service password reset from RSM partners, also known as SSPR for short. It's a solution to a common problem, helping users to reset their passwords in a timely, cost-effective and highly secure way. By introducing a browser-based self-service option, significant savings in help desk resources can be achieved, with users benefiting from a quicker, easier and more secure approach. Using multi-layer authentication, SSPR provides a fully audited solution which will automatically reset passwords across multiple databases, providing organizations with a rapid return on their investment. Let's now watch how SSPR helps a user to self-serve and reset their password without the need for help desk support. The user connects from any browser via a URL supplied by the mainframe administrator and sees the password reset facility. They're presented with a simple screen into which they enter their user ID associated to the password they've forgotten. On the next screen, they enter their PIN and select Verify. Only 3 attempts at entering a PIN are permitted, after which the session will be logged. Depending on the system configuration, a unique access code can be sent by email, or a fixed access code unique to that user, such as their employee ID, can be entered. In this scenario, an access code is automatically emailed to the user. The access code is valid for 15 minutes, after which the user must go back to the start and generate a new access code. This is configurable by the administrator. The user enters this access code and verifies. On the next screen, they're required to enter 3 memorable words previously defined during the SSPR setup process, which we look at later in this video. For each memorable word, a reminder word or phrase is displayed to help the user remember their memorable words created during setup. After verification of the memorable words, the user can now enter their new password. SSPR can be configured to allow users to reset their passwords on multiple systems simultaneously. If a system list is displayed, the user can select the system or systems on which they wish to reset their password. The user's credentials, such as PIN numbers and memorable words, must have been previously created on the remote systems, and these will be verified on that system by SSPR before resetting a password. Once the reset request has been submitted, a status screen is displayed to show the progress of the request. On the local system, the password will have been reset instantly, whilst remote systems may take a few seconds longer. Refreshing the panel updates the status. The password reset process on all systems has now been successfully completed. The user can now close their SSPR session and start to use their new password on the updated systems. Now let's watch how a user sets up SSPR with their memorable words and reminder word prompts. The user enters their user ID and selects Setup. They then enter their current mainframe password and submit. The user is presented with the SSPR setup panel into which they must define their credentials. These will be requested whenever they need to use the reset service in future to reset a forgotten password. A 6-digit PIN number of the user's choice is entered. 3 memorable words must then be created. These should be words that are meaningful to the user, but unlikely for anyone else to know. For each memorable word, a reminder word or phrase can be entered to help the user remember their memorable words. These words are freeform and are saved encrypted in the RSM database. They'll be displayed during the password reset service, so they should be cryptic and should not give away what the memorable word is to anyone else. The setup service can be visited multiple times, and SSPR will keep the reminder phrases from previous visits, but the associated memorable words must be re-entered or new memorable words and reminders used. Where SSPR has been configured to allow simultaneous resets on multiple systems, the user can select the systems on which they want SSPR to be set up. Their current password for each system must be supplied. Once all details have been entered and verified, the setup process is complete. The status panel shows the status of the setup operation for each system. Only authorized users are permitted to reset their own password. This enables organizations to set up a RSM profile which permits their users to use the self-service password reset facility, or alternatively, just groups of specific users to use this facility. We've seen how SSPR provides an intelligent answer to a common problem, significantly reducing demand on help desk resources by providing users with a quick and easy to use self-service solution. SSPR from RSM Partners is a fully secured and audited solution, delivering an easily quantifiable return on investment. Thank you for watching.